Hello everyone, we are the Smilebots and we are from Switzerland. Today we are going to present you our project, the Project Y. So the theme of the sport is very huge, so we decided to focus only on the safety side of the movement. We developed what we call the Project Y, an innovative system that uses our body heat to create energy. But why did we choose this? So the first step of our research was to analyze the different problems of the sport, and one of the problems is that people don't do a lot of sport, and this is because they don't have time. To solve this problem, they can use more efficiently the evening hours, but this can lead to a problem. The fact that in the evening there is lower brightness and the risk of accident would increase. In the next slide you can see the numbers of accidents per means of transportation, and in the next one the accident per hour. As you can see, where there are the most accident number is in the evening or in the darkest hours of the day.
And now let's talk about the goal of Project Y. How to encourage people to move in the darkest hour, giving them more safety. This is the question that we have set ourselves to invent Project Y.
Of course, we also went to submit our solution to some experts. Kurt Frey is the scientific collaborator of DSS, Cantone Ticino, and the leader of the project, Meglio a piedi o Better on Foot. Massimo Santoli is the electrical engineer that helped us to create the electrical part of our project. Here you can see the engineer that teach us some things. Tommaso Freda is the designer who creates the Y, this one, the main piece of our project.
For a more comprehensive analysis, we have seen possible solutions. For example, reflecting band or head-side light, but both have disadvantage. The band are very often underused, and the front light can be downloaded and are annoying.
This is how Y project works. When the body moves, it produces heat. From this production, there is a difference in it between one phase of the peltier cells in contact with the body and the other phase in contact with external environment. We have thought about transforming thermal energy into electricity, and this is possible without the peltier cell. In fact, the cell exploits the Seebeck effect, which allows to transform temperature difference in thermal energy into electrical energy. Their yield is 0.5 volts every 20 degrees centigrade, and in fact there is a continuous circle of energy.
But how did we develop our project? We used some peltier cells and then an energy harvesting board. Then we printed the body of our project, and this is our result.
This is our device, and now we show you a demo.
Questa è la nostra Y Project. Queste sono le celle di Peltier. Lo indosso e vado a fare una corsa.
Now let's talk about advantages and disadvantages about our project. Advantages: eco-friendly, continuous energy production, low-cost production, and it doesn't require batteries. The only disadvantage that it needs at least 20 degrees Celsius of temperature difference to produce energy.
And now let's talk about next steps. We are going to develop a prototype with our sponsor A++, and we are going to applicate our device in a ski jacket.
And these are the sources that we use for our presentation. Thank you for your attention.